Wireless Apple CarPlay screen for car 4K dash cam. 9 portable Apple CarPlay and Android Auto car stereo. With 1080p backup camera. GPS navigation, mirror link, voice control, Bluetooth. Brand Hoxie. Model name Q9S. Vehicle service type car, truck. Screen size 9 inches. Special feature Android Auto. Built-in Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay. FM tuner, voice control. Connectivity technology Bluetooth, auxiliary, Wi-Fi, USB. Map type city tour, street, North America. Sport Android Auto, listening, CarPlay, watching, driving. Included components 64 GB DF card. 350 cm power cord. Monitor base *2, 700 cm back camera. 120 cm AUX cable. Audio output mode stereo. CarPlay and Android Auto with voice control. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This plug-in play dual-in car stereo. Features the newest voice control technology. Just connect it to your smartphone and access map navigation, calling, email, notifications, music and more with the help of Siri, Google Assistant. The CarPlay screen for car improves driving safety and comfort, making your drive more convenient and enjoyable. 4K front camera and 1080p. Night vision backup camera. The car screen is equipped with a front 4K camera in 1080p. Waterproof reversing camera. The front 4K camera can enhance the smoothness and record your driving record. Your driving process comprehensively, accurately and clearly. Simple operation makes driving safety and parking easier. The camera wire is connected to the reverse light, very convenient to install. Phone mirror link and for audio output. The 9-inch CarPlay screen for car supports iOS and Android phone mirroring. The Q9S dual-in car stereo with CarPlay also supports BT audio, local speakers, FM radio and AUX, so you can enjoy clear and stable music in noisy environments. And the CarPlay sound will bring you a wonderful experience. Collision sensor function, Hoxie. Portable CarPlay for car with has a built-in crash sensor G sensor. When a vehicle is involved in a serious collision, the recorder locks the video of the accident, saves it as a special image, and also displays a lock icon at the top of the display. The locked image will not be overwritten by the loop. Parking monitor function. When the parking monitor function is turned on, with the engine off, if there is a vibration in the car, Apple CarPlay will automatically turn on the video recording for 15 seconds and lock it. If the engine is not turned off, it will lock the video recording for this 15 seconds and then automatically enter the normal recording cycle. Note, this function requires hardware support, easy installation and fit all different car. Portable CarPlay for car, just plug and play directly with dashboard via Connect cigarette lighter. No need to disassemble your car's console. Keep your car original radio. Perfect for coexisting. The CarPlay with screen is suitable for most motor vehicles, such as cars, trucks, vans, pickups and so on.